Today, we are going to tour 4931 North 42nd Way in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. Welcome to this lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhome in Phoenix, featuring access to a beautiful community pool. Step inside and discover a bright and inviting floor plan designed for both comfort and style. The spacious living area flows seamlessly into the well-appointed kitchen, where you'll find sleek quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a large pantry, and abundant cabinet space, perfect for cooking and entertaining. Located in the highly desirable Biltmore area, this home offers quick and easy access to Loop 51 and Loop 101, putting premier shopping, dining, and entertainment just minutes away. Whether you're commuting, exploring the city, or relaxing at home, this Phoenix townhome perfectly combines modern comfort, convenience, and a welcoming community atmosphere. Let's take a tour upstairs. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a peaceful retreat with direct access to a private balcony where you can take in fresh air and relaxing views. 2 additional bedrooms provide flexible space for any tenant. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Thank you for watching the tour, and have a great day.